Good morning, Brooke Gardner here, the moving realtor, coming to you live from my backyard with some tips that I feel like could help you as a for sale by owner get your property ready for market. Number one would be to prepare the home for market by getting a certified pre-owned status on your property. The way you do that is you hire a home inspector to come over and go through your property with a fine-tooth comb. A lot of times the buyer wants to do that anyway, and if you have that to offer, that tells them that you've made sure this home is ready to sell. The second thing I feel like is really important is making sure that you get good video and pictures of the property. Now this is going to take some cleaning and some organizing to be able to make sure this is done, and I can do a lot of the pictures, or you could hire a professional home photographer to come in. They'll charge you anywhere from $200 to $500 depending on what kind of pictures and things you want. I offer this service for free because it's one of those things that I feel like is important to be able to help you as a for sale by owner sell your property. And if you don't like those, then we can look at the possibility, for example, of hire a home photographer to come out and shoot those pictures. The third thing I feel like is really important is making sure you get the price right. I see so many properties that are either underpriced or overpriced. Overpriced, they sit there and don't sell. Underpriced, you leave money on the table. I want to be able to make sure that you get the properties at the price right so that it'll sell. The fourth thing I think is really important is being able to make sure that you understand what the market's like. Spring, summer, winter, and fall, all the times during the year are good times to sell, but there are stronger times to sell than others. Spring is a great time to sell because everybody's looking to possibly make a move, get into new homes before summer, and then they go on their summer vacations. So summer is a little bit slower. Fall, the kids are getting back into school. And of course, winter is a slow time as well, but it's also the time when there's less competition. So those are some things to keep in mind. One of the things I also feel like is important to be able to keep in mind is being able to understand that you are going to get a ton of calls from real estate agents looking to help you sell your home. Don't work against them, but work with them. If they've got buyers that want to see your home, then be willing to cooperate with them and help them see your home. Let them come over and take a look at it. Going through that process alone, you're going to be able to tell which real estate agents you're going to be willing to work with. I find, especially here in Utah County, it's interesting. When I got in the business, there were 600 real estate agents. Now there's 3,300 real estate agents in Utah County, and probably 10% of them, close to it, are going to be calling you every single day. And when I do this, when I make these phone calls every single day, I'm blown away at how many for sale by owners I'm not even talked to because they won't answer the phone. How do you sell your home if you're not going to answer the phone? I get it. You can get texts, send texts back and forth. That is a way to be able to try to weed through all the phone calls, but it's not your most effective way. I hope these tips will be helpful to you. If you feel like you'd like to talk to me a little bit more, feel free to reach out to me, give me a call, shoot me a text or email, and I'll get back with you and I'd love to help you.